once ago again. Now it won't rock again. Say on what I gotta say, and people gotta be the friend. I don't understand this shit. You know it's what I gotta be. H-Town bound to fold it down. Hagerstown is where I be. Now you wanna rattle me. You think you wanna battle me? Shotgun in the shadows, and the bitches gotta play with me. I don't tell you one thing if you don't tell me another. Shooting some of shit, I'm in the 50 motherfucker. I'm about to shoot a mother. You know what I be. H-Town bound in the ground of bitches singing what I gotta be. Tell me what you want from me. Tell me what you gotta be. You ain't hustling, baby, cause I'm grinding what I gotta be. Tell me every time you wanna battle where I come from. This is where I'm coming from. Bitches ready to hustle from. I'm already tell you, and you are ready to go. Quick to save him where I gotta be. The shit is ready to show to go. Here we come up, game, I'm ready to go. What I gotta be. Let me tell me this is now I'm care what I gotta see. I ain't ready to hit this road because you're not ready to be. Tell me what you wanna be. The shit is gonna be the truth. Hey, when we come, here we come, ready to go. This game, where you come. This shit said I hit the game. I ain't coming where you be. You ain't coming where I see. Tell me what you wanna be. This you ain't battling me. Here we go, uptown. Put your flowing down. Think you ready to hit this block? I'm ready to hit this golden ground. Feet standing strong. Hands on my mind. Thinking about I'm ready to battle this shit just one more time. Let me tell you, let me show you. Tell me where I be.